Welcome back, children. How are you all? I hope you are fine and safe at home. Now welcome back to our maths class. Till now we have learnt lesson 3. Can you remember the title of the lesson? Yes, it is numbers up to 20. Now today we are going to see a new chapter in this lesson. Can you see toys of animals here? You can see a goat, a giraffe and a duck. Where is this goat is placed? The goat is before the giraffe. And where is this giraffe? This giraffe is in between the goat and the duck. And where is the duck? The duck is after the giraffe. Now, how they are placed, children? Yes, they are placed in a line. In the same way, the numbers can be expressed and it can also be represented in a line. Such a line is called as number line. The number line starts from 0. Now, as we move towards the right of the number line, we find that numbers becoming greater. Can you see, children? If we move towards the right, the numbers becoming greater.
A number line has arrows on both ends and tick marks for each number value. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. As we move to the right, the numbers get larger. As we move to the left, the numbers get smaller.
What is meant by after number? It is nothing but one number more. And what is before number? It is one number less. And what is between number? It is a number sandwiched between the two numbers.
Hello kids! Today we will learn about before, after and between numbers. So let's get started. Now let's learn before concept. Here we have two numbers 1 and 2. And can you find which one is before 2? The number which comes first is called the before. So here 1 is before 2. Here we have number 3. Can you find the before number? So what number comes before 3? Yes, it's 2 that comes before 3. Here we have number 15. So can you find what number comes before 15? Yes, it's 14 that comes before 15. Let's learn the after concept. We have two numbers 3, 4. So can you find which number is after 3? After number is the one that comes next. So here 4 is after 3. Here we have number 7. Can you find what number comes after 7? Yes, it's number 8. So 8 comes after 7. Here we have number 15. Now find which number comes after 15. Yes, 16 comes after 15. Now let's learn between concept. Here we have three numbers 4, 5 and 6. And you have to find which number is between 4 and 6. Between numbers are the one that come in the middle of two numbers. So here 5 number is between 4 and 6. Here we have two numbers 2 and 4, and you have to find which numbers comes in between 2 and 4. Yes, it's number 3 that is between 2 and 4. Here we have two numbers 18 and 20. Now you have to find which number comes in between 18 and 20. Yes, it's number 19 that comes between 18 and 20.
Shall we see one example, children? Yes. Can you see the picture of a number line here? Yes. The number line starts from 0. And here, where is 4? This 4 comes before 5. And where is this 6? This 6 comes after 5. And where is this 5 placed? This 5 comes in between 4 and 6. Now, this is 4 is the before number and 6 is the after number of 5, and 5 is in between 4 and 6. Now, thank you children. We will meet in the next class.